His mission is house calls, bringing something senior citizens desperately need straight to their homes.
As Vince Gerasole reports, what this man does is positively Chicago.
On his bike, rolling through traffic, it's easy to mistake Dwayne Dobschutz for a delivery man. But that's sort of what he is. The nurse practitioner delivers home care, making what used to be known as a house call.
And when he knocked on the door, I knew that healing was coming.
People always say to me, is this something new? And I said, no, this is something really old, but you have to be my age to remember the doctor.
Let's get to that age thing. Dobschutz sees geriatric patients, folks in their 80s and 90s. But at 70, he's in the same category.
You're actually a geriatric patient yourself.
I joke that I graduated from the ER so that I can work with my people.
Dobschutz spent nearly 3 decades as an emergency room nurse, the kind of man who, for years, would check in on an elderly patient he met in the ER.
I couldn't see any other way to follow up on him. And so that's what I did, was I went to his house.
In those visits, he realized a new calling. So 5 years ago, he went back to school to become a geriatric nurse practitioner.
I think I have an appreciation for what they're going through, the changes in their body.
Oh my God, he's done amazing things.
Dobschutz works in a new program for Northwestern Medicine's geriatric practice.
Big breath.
Doctors say many of these patients are often reluctant to venture out for a doctor's appointment.
They're, in some cases, trapped there, either by their disability or the fact that they just don't want to go out.
By bringing care into a senior's home, Dobschutz can write prescriptions or check in on minor complications before they escalate. Doctors say he's helped reduce hospitalizations in the patients he sees.
With Dwayne, he's able to go there and almost kind of rescue the health of the patient and bring them back.
And helping the next patient is what keeps Dobschutz on the road.
And they say, can you go see this guy? How far will you go? And I've begun to realize in my mind, I will go as far as it's needed.
And that's what makes him positively Chicago. Vince Gerasole, CBS 2 News.
Dwayne is the first nurse practitioner in the Northwestern program, but with additional funding coming, more nurses will be added to provide home care for seniors in the Northwestern neighborhood. What an inspiration that he would reinvent himself, so to speak, to go back to school and do this.
Awesome work, no doubt about it.